YouTube, welcome back with another video with Missionary Pro. So I think I got this phone in May, not May, March. So it's been April and right now it's May. So I had an experience of 1 month of using this iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte. So first of all, when I did the unboxing and everything, I had a case, the screen protector, everything, but now it is totally naked. And let me explain why. So tell me, bro, why would you spend $1,600 on an iPhone just to put a $30 screen protector and like $60 case? It didn't make sense to me. And then the phone felt so heavier too. I was like, nah, let me take the screen protector off. So when I started using without the screen protector, the black, like the titanium feel it has, the phone just feels so great, like without a case. And if you are a type of person who uses the phone without a case, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like the silk smoothness feeling is just so great without a case, bro. And the reason why I took my screen protector off, when you use the screen protector, you can feel the edges when you have the screen protector on. And a lot of time they have colors that's under the screen protector that I was so. Without the screen protector, the phone has been feeling smooth, like the glass, everything feels great. The only thing I seen that I didn't like when I took the screen protector off, I had seen these two micro scratches here. Like when I use the screen, it is not visible, but if I will put like in a certain angle in a certain way, then I could see those micro scratches. If you have anything on your phone too, y'all let me know in the comments. Now, the biggest problem that I dealt with is the heating issues. Like even after taking the case, it doesn't feel too bad, but the phone still heats up, and I still haven't had the temperature warning popped up. But now they're about to release, I think, iOS 18.5 this week. But the heating is just crazy on this phone, guys. I can't even lie to you how bad the heating is. It's like, I said, it's terrible, bro. As much as this phone's heat up, it is crazy how bad this phone heat. Like, I don't know how to explain to you, and I seen a lot of you in the comments that has typed, oh, Galaxy don't have this problem and Samsung don't have. Bro, I'm not getting no Samsung. Like, once you go Apple, there is no going back. Like, but that's the problem that Apple really need to fix. Like the heating problem in this phone is ridiculous. My overall experience, the phone is pretty fast. I do not use low power mode anymore because as soon as I turn on low power mode, the phone start heating up. I mean, not heating up, the phone start lagging way bad. So for that reason, I don't even use low power rate. No, chat. Low power mode. I don't use low power mode anymore because that's it makes my phone lag like a motherfucker. I just use this without a low power mode. Now my battery life is still at 100%. And if I don't be on my phone too much, then I do get a whole day of a battery usage. If I charge the night before, the next day the phone usually go to 20% at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. If I don't be on my phone too much, but I usually have a screen time of 12 hours, so I'm a heavy user, and I've been trying to slow down on my addiction because I really just be using my phone too much, guys. I really do be using my phone too much, so I've been trying to calm down with that. But overall the phone feels pretty smooth without no case, without no screen protector, with nothing. I really like it, but when the iPhone 17 Pro Max drop, I might trade it in. That's what I'm thinking. Like, I would trade this phone in for the 17 Pro Max and have the latest one. Why not? I haven't bought the what is it called? Apple Care yet. I haven't bought that shit. I don't know why, bro. I just, even though I don't got a screen protector on that case, I'm not just throwing my phone anywhere. I'm most likely, I'm very careful with this device. But I seen in the last video a lot of you had commented that you have the problem too with your devices heating up and lagging and all kind of issues. So that was definitely relatable to see, bro, because the device just heats up so bad. That shit is crazy. As much as this phone heat up. And they had the same problem in the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max. It is ridiculous, Chad. This shit is ridiculous. But overall, it has been a great experience with this phone, other than when Apple did a hard reset, like when they put a magic board or some kind of board and I had to transfer my number back to this phone. I had to activate my number in iPhone 11 again and then transfer that number to this phone. That shit was a fucking headache. That was a headache, as much as time that I had to do doing all that shit. And the crazy fact is, a lot of people are still getting the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's crazy to see. I see on TikTok all the time. A lot of people are still buying the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But yeah, this is cool. I ain't gonna lie, like, I really mess with this device though, bro. This smooth, this, I mean, like, the goddamn, what do I call this? The feeling of this device itself is pretty nice. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this. It is a great phone. It's a great phone. Like, y'all can see the apps and everything. I just, personally, I'm really liking this phone without a screen protector. It just feels better in hand. My hands are not way too slippery. Like, I got goddamn big, huge hands, so it's very easy for me to hold the phone and things of that nature. But yeah, 1 month of using this phone, I really mess with this. And as soon as that 17 Pro Max drop, most likely I'm traded in. Like, y'all let me know if that would be a good option for me to trade this device in when the 16 Pro Max drop, or will that be a bad decision to do this with Apple? What do y'all think? And personally, if y'all have iPhone 16 Pro Max, how is your phone doing? Is it still hitting up, or are y'all waiting for that 18.5 drop too? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, Peace out.